The farm is bright under the hot sun. Monkey and Tractor come out of the barn. The rice field is dry and cracked. They run to the well to check. The well is empty and dry.
Aha!
He points to the ground and says, "Let's dig a new well." Tractor attaches the trailer and drives off.
Hello, hello.
Whoa!
Hello.
Monkey uses two L-shaped rods to find the spot. The rods cross, marking the drilling point.
I'm coming.
Drill moves in, lowers the bit, and starts drilling. Water bursts from the ground, and drill stops.
Good job.
Come on, step it up!
Ew. Hey you, come here. I know it.
Clamshell places the pump and pipes. While mixer truck pours concrete to secure them. Monkey turns on the switch and water sprays across the field. A lush and green rice field appears.
Bye-bye!
A peaceful morning at the farm. Monkey goes out to check the vegetable garden and finds it covered with weeds.
Huh? I have a
He suggests
brilliant
using
idea
a
for
flame
the
weeder
farm.
to get rid of the
We
weeds.
can plant a new crop that will double our harvest this year.
Both came out the warehouse, and the flame weeder was also attached to the tractor. The flame weeder wasn't working. When Monkey
happened?
checked, it turned out that it had run out of fuel.
Aha.
Howdy there. How's everything
He
down on
immediately
the
called the
farm?
tank truck to deliver
Okay,
fuel.
okay. Okay. Hello.
The tank truck quickly arrived, and the flame weeder was refueled.
Welcome to the farm. I'm so glad you could join us today.
Bye-bye.
The tank truck drove away, and the two got back to work. The flame from the flame leader burned away all the weeds. With all the weeds gone, the vegetables grew faster and healthier. Great job, everyone! Oh no, a big fire. What happened? Monkey and Harvester rushed over to check the situation.
Huh?
But the fire had grown too large and was no longer under control. And then the monkey reminisced for a moment. He recalled that at that time, he had been playing with his magnifying glass. At that moment, the tractor came by, called Monkey, and gave him a bunch of bananas. Monkey's eyes lit up at the sight of the bananas. He tossed the magnifying glass aside and ran on. The magnifying glass got stuck in a tree, unintentionally focusing the sunlight onto the dry leaves, causing the tree to catch fire.
Oh my God!
And from there, the entire orchard went up in flames. Realizing that he wasn't the cause, Monkey felt deeply regretful. Tractor came out of the barn, saw the situation, quickly attached the sprinkler system, and rushed into the orchard to put out the fire. The water from the sprinkler wasn't enough to put out the fire. What's more, the wind made the fire flare up even more fiercely. The tractor had to call the fire department to come and extinguish the flame. The fire department quickly arrived at the scene and began extinguishing the fire.
Yes, sir.
With the high-pressure hoses, the fire was quickly brought under control and completely extinguished.
Bye-bye.
Now the orchard was gone.
now-
Monkey felt very sad, but Tractor
Let's
suggested
plant
planting a
apple
new garden.
orchard together.
Wow! Okay.
Monkey ran into the barn to grab a bag of seeds, while Tractor stayed outside and began plowing the garden. Every inch of soil was turned over to make planting easy. Then Monkey poured the seeds into the seeder. And Tractor attached it before heading out to the field to continue sowing. The seeds were sown evenly in neat rows. Over time, the seedlings began to sprout, and they grew rapidly. The apple orchard had returned to its original state. Well done, everyone.
Bye-bye.
A lush green mustard vegetable field. Tractor 1 is connected to the irrigation system, and on the ground lies a bottle of plant fertilizer. Monkey placed the bottle of fertilizer next to Tractor 1.
Oh no!
Harvester picked up the bottle of fertilizer. poured it into the water tank.
Okay.
Tractor 1 moved into the field. Water sprayed out. The plants gradually withered.
Oh my God.
Hamster looked surprised.
Oh no!
The plant nutrient box was still intact.
I'm sorry.
Havister took out his phone and called for vehicles to come and help.
Okay, let's go.
Tractors 2 and 3 moved closer.
Help me! Let's go!
Moved over the field, tilling the soil.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Monkey carried the sack of seeds and poured them into the container. Tractor 3 moved into the field. Seeds were sprayed out.
Wow!
Havister picked up the bottle of plant fertilizer and poured it out. The plants sprouted and gradually grew. Everyone was happy.
Good job!